Hey everyone, it's John C. Morley, serial entrepreneur, and I am excited once again because we got another toy. Actually, our green screen just came in and we're gonna unbox it and we're gonna set it up for you. All right, let's see what's in this box. I'm gonna try to take it out. My assistant here. Okay. We get a little bit of foam around here. We can just take off. Okay, let's go set this up. Join me over here. All right, now that we've taken this out of the box and we've taken the plastic bag off, let's set this puppy up, okay? So there's a little warning label here. Just make sure that you don't, make sure you unlock these things here, and then it looks like it's pretty easy. And then just want to make sure you don't pull it up near any power lines or try to kill yourself or injure yourself. So that's basically, there's a warning. It looks like there's a little thing here that opens like a little door, and you just kind of move it back, and it says lift here. Oh wow, this is so easy. My gosh, this is so simple. One person set this up. I don't know about you, but I've set up so many screens in my time, and projector screens, and been at trade shows, and they're never like this. I usually have to wait for somebody. Hey, Gerard, Mario. I set this up myself, and the best thing is, you can put it back down yourself. I gotta tell you, this screen, it's a keeper, ladies and gentlemen. Definitely a keeper. Of course, we'll have to check the quality out and how well the pictures and the videos come out, but thumbs up, ladies and gentlemen. If you like this video, why not give us a thumbs up? Click on the subscribe button, and then, yes, smash that bell notification icon so YouTube will know to share this out with other people that are looking to learn about green screens and other unboxing. If it really resonated with you and you thought it was cool, look below any one of these videos and you'll see that phrase, help keep our content free. Even though it is free, click on that link below for the PayPal link, and my team and I will be very grateful for those pennies and dollars we receive to invest them into new technology and equipment like this to give you more jaw-dropping, motivational content. I am John C. Morley, serial entrepreneur. It's been a pleasure doing another great technology unboxing with you.